Hello sir, my name is Gagan and my partner name is Arshad. I am presenting my .NET PBL project. My topic is online art gallery. In the first page we give the introduction of online art gallery system. Online art gallery is an online application which is used to display the sale artworks of artists irrespective of their nationality, gender, and other narrow consideration through auction. Artists can register online for being a member in the art gallery, and each artist can upload the digital copy of their artwork under the respective categories. The second point is objective. The main objective of online art gallery is promote artists working on different themes and ideas. The third point is purpose. Online art gallery website provides an opportunity to make the art market more transparent and efficient by passing on the benefits of the internet and efficient courier services to the art community. The purpose of this project is to promote Indian artists working on different ideas and themes. The next point is scope. On endeavor is to create a portal where collection and artists of Indian contemporary art can share their experiences and collection with each other. The next point is applicability. The applicability first point is promote Indian art through desktop based application. The second point is give chance to artists. The third point is any artwork can be promoted. The fourth point is buy and sell Indian art. The next point is achievements. The project has helped us immensely in having a practical knowledge of development a website. It has given us a greater depth of Oracle, which is a part of our syllabus. The next point is tools. There are two types of tools, front-end tools and back-end tools. In the front-end tools, .NET Framework. The .NET Framework is many types safe environment for application development and execution. In the backend tools, SQL Server, a structured query language, is a structured data-oriented language which is primarily used to store, receive, and manipulate data using simple code snippets called queries in an RDBMS relational database management system. The next point is feasibility. The feasibility analysis. The feasibility analysis is a test of the system proposal according to its workability impact on organization. The next point is economic feasibility. The economic feasibility, the procedure known as cost benefit analysis, is used. The next point is technical feasibility. The feasibility centers on the existing computer system hardware and software and to what extent they support the proposed systems. The next point is so requirements. There are two types of requirements: software requirements and hardware requirements. In the hardware requirements, processor, hard disk, display, and RAM comes into the hardware requirements. Operating system, front end tools, back end tools, developer, user, these are comes into the software requirements. It is the Visual Studio of .NET. It is the operating system services. There is the DFT diagram. DFT diagram is called a data flow diagram. It it comes which includes under the member, artist, and admin. The level 1 of the data flow diagram is which includes the artist, registration, login, change the password, get profile, view gallery, search by artist, upload art in the database. There is the second page is next page is the sequence diagram. The sequence diagram of my project which includes member, login, get profile, view gallery, billing, other, or payments. It is the ER diagram. ER diagram is called as relationship diagram. In this diagram we are define the attributes and entities. First is admin, which controls the user, and user create the albums. Then album has a image, which is comes into the ER diagrams. Thank you.